we're going to identify the logical form of the following sentence involving sets. X is an element of A union B minus C intersect D. So we're going to have to do this in steps. The first thing we see is we have something of the form of one set, which may be complicated, minus another set. So the first thing we do is we apply the definition of set minus. According to that definition, we have X is an element of the first set and not X is an element of the second set. I added the extra parentheses just for clarity. Now here's what we have so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze this first part right here. So this says X is an element of A or X is an element of B. I'm going to keep these in parentheses. Keep the second one in parentheses. Over here this says X is an element of C and X is an element of D. I just wanted to pause and observe that. Notice up here, between sets A and B we have union, because union takes two sets as input. Whereas down below we have the logical operator or. Or goes between sentences. This is a sentence, X is an element of A. This is a sentence, X is an element of B. Now here I just wanted to point out that if we wanted to, we could take this one step further and incorporate this not into the parentheses. This is using De Morgan's law. So the part on the left stays the same. And if we want to incorporate that not inside, we have not X is an element of C. We have not X is an element of D. And then with De Morgan's law, an and becomes an or. So when you distribute the not inside, an and becomes an or becomes an and.